Welcome back to Reggae Roots Market, Jamaica. A jewel in the Caribbean Sea is a feast for the senses. Imagine lush green mountains meeting turquoise waters. The air is warm and filled with the scent of blooming flowers. This is the heart of Jamaica, an island bursting with life and flavor. Jamaica's story is told through its food. Every dish is a delicious journey. Let's explore the magic of Jamaican cuisine together. The land is fertile, generously offering a bounty of fruits, vegetables, and spices. Think juicy mangoes, sweet pineapples, and plump breadfruit. These vibrant ingredients paint a picture of Jamaica's natural abundance. It's this rich tapestry of nature that forms the base of Jamaica's incredible cuisine. Jamaica's story is one of many cultures coming together. Over centuries, people from different corners of the world found their way to this island paradise. From Africa, they brought their love for hearty stews and the rhythmic pulse of their drums. India shared its aromatic spices and curries. China introduced its unique blend of sweet and sour. The Spanish left their mark with dishes like escabeche fish. And, of course, the British influence can be tasted in pastries and breads. Each culture added its own vibrant thread to the tapestry of Jamaican life. And you know what happens when cultures mix? Magic. Imagine a melting pot of flavors. African okra meets Indian curry spices. Chinese cooking techniques mingle with British baking traditions. This is how Jamaican cuisine came to be. It's a beautiful fusion of tastes, each one complementing the other. Take, for example, the iconic jerk chicken. It begins with African grilling methods, gets a fiery kick from Scotch bonnet peppers, and is infused with the earthy aroma of allspice, a spice native to Jamaica. This harmonious blend of flavors is what makes Jamaican food so special. The spices. This is where Jamaican food truly comes alive. Show some love to Reggae Roots Market. Scotch bonnet peppers with their fiery heat add a punch to many dishes. Allspice, with its warm, peppery aroma, is a taste of Jamaica itself. Then there's thyme, ginger, garlic, and a medley of other spices, each adding its unique note to the symphony of flavors. These spices aren't just for flavor, they tell a story. They speak of Jamaica's history, its people, and their love for vibrant, flavorful food. It's this passion for spice that makes Jamaican cuisine so irresistible. Thanks for watching.